Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to another shoe video. And today it is again John Fluevog. Anyway, yes, we're doing Fluevogs again in this wonderful blue box that they come in. And we're doing today the Sunday officials in bright pink. It doesn't say bright pink, but I'll warn you, they're bright. Put on your sunnies. Mine are size women's 10, men's 8, and there's a dot here which is sort of orange, but they're not orange, they're pink as. So let me open them up for you. And as usual, we have the box with John Fluevog on the front. And some comments like, stand proud in the love you have been given, truth and integrity since 1970. So we've got paper. So I like to keep my shoes in their boxes if it's at all possible, because I think that's the way they're supposed to be. And oh my god, are they pink? Dun 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 dun! Pink, pink, pink. And yes, that is the colour. Even a pink sole. Let me get them out for you. And under here, let me put this paper back for the moment. There we go. Under here as well is the bag that it comes with, and a lovely note that I got from the packer. Hello Kat, thanks so much for your order. I hope your new Fluevogs find you well and you have lots of fun together. Be in touch if you need anything. Love, Petra. Well, cheers, Petra. So I love how it's Fluevog head with the shoes. Tea. So Petra was one of the staff at the Amsterdam shop, and the Amsterdam shop is where I got a lot of my Fluevogs. But the Amsterdam shop has been closed, sadly, and so now I can't really buy any more Fluevogs because the postage is exorbitant. Absolutely exorbitant, and I can't afford that on top of the cost of the shoes, because Fluevogs are not cheap. They are usually fabulous quality, and they are what I love to have is a quality shoe. But this one, there is a little bit of a problem with it. So I will show you that in a moment. So see, there we go. Lovely round toe, really comfortable. We've got this strap that goes over and a strap that goes under. So you get a bit of peekaboo effect of your skin, or if you're wearing tights or something like that. They have a back strap which goes around the back of your ankle in that divot before your heel, so your heel sits here. You've got fabulous rubber sole. The shoe itself, there you go, there you can see how bright a pink it is this dotted, spotty, textured leather with a lining in this lovely beige. It is beige, or tan, caramel, I don't know what colour you'd call it. It has really awesome soles. So it's the official shoe, and these shoe soles are really grippy if you have a look at the profile of them. Like that. It says, for every Fluevogan thing. And there's his signature. And then there's the symbol again. And then this wonderful grippy at the back. And if you have a look, they're actually Fs all the way around. Ta-da! It also has, now I keep my stuffings to try and keep the shape in them. There's the back of them with a stitch, and there's the inside of them. So that's what they look like. They also came with a removable shoe insert or inner sole with the Fluevog symbol on it again, and they're just plain on the inside. And then the sizing is there. Made in Portugal. There is only one problem with these shoes, and I think it might be this particular shoe. Not this one. This one's fine. But it's this one. My right shoe has blown the stitching. So I think there was a fault in the leather and it's blown out. So if you can see the profile, where you sit is very high when you have these inserts, and this rolls and you end up with sort of walking out the back of your foot, and the only thing holding you there is this little thin strap. If you take the inner sole out, you have almost a whole finger's depth, you can see. So it's much more comfortable. So I wear them usually like that. And I'll put one on with one and one on without, so you can see the difference. But other than that, they are really, really comfortable shoes. And I really like them. I wear them usually in summer because I just think there's something about the cutout and the strap at the back and the colour of them that screams summer. But that's just for me. Let me put them on and I'll show you what they look like. Hold on a second. And here they are on. Ta-da! Dun, da-da-da! So you see what I mean? This crossover strap I think is really nice. It's very flattering, I think. But you can also see how this is puckering here. So I think this was just a faulty shoe. But the Amsterdam shop is closed. There's nothing I can do about it. And I just have to live with it. But now this is the one that doesn't have the insert in. And you can see how my heel sits quite neat inside it. This one has the shoe insert and my foot wants to slip out. So yeah, I usually wear the insert out. But you can see this little bit of skin here and a little bit of skin there. Oh, I didn't show you. If I can get it to show you. The buckles say Fluevog as well. Just in case you forgot that the shoe is a Fluevog shoe. So there we are. There are my lovely Fluevog summery Sunday pinks with their pink soles and their crossovers. So I hope you had fun watching this. I enjoy doing them, so I'll keep doing them. And if anyone wants to make a suggestion about the next pair, a colour or a style, just let me know. And I will see you all again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and love your shoes. Bye everyone. Bye.